Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Today we're diving into game-changing financial hacks that can completely transform the way you think about money. These aren't your typical budgeting and saving tips. We're talking about unconventional, high-impact strategies that the financially savvy use to build wealth faster and smarter. From leveraging hidden assets to tapping into unique investment opportunities, these insights will challenge the traditional approach to money and open your eyes to new ways of accelerating financial growth. Whether you're looking to boost your savings, maximize returns, or rethink your financial game plan, you're in the right place. So grab a notebook and get ready, because what you're about to learn could change your financial future forever. Let's jump in. Hack number 1, the power of automated savings. Automating your savings can be a game changer for your financial growth. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. This strategy not only helps you build your savings effortlessly, but also reduces the temptation to splurge on unnecessary purchases. Imagine setting aside a fixed amount every month without even thinking about it. Apps like Capital and Digit make this process seamless, allowing you to customize your savings goals and track your progress. With just a few taps, you can create a financial safety net that grows over time, empowering you to reach your financial dreams faster than you ever thought possible. Hack number 2, credit card rewards. Optimization. Maximizing credit card rewards can significantly enhance your financial gain. There are various types of rewards programs, including cashback, travel points, and merchandise discounts. To make the most of these programs, it's essential to choose the right credit card based on your spending habits. For instance, if you frequently dine out, a card that offers higher rewards for restaurant purchases would be ideal. Real-life examples include using a travel rewards card to earn points for flights or hotel stays, allowing you to enjoy vacations at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, some cards offer sign-up bonuses that can be redeemed for substantial rewards after meeting a spending threshold. By strategically using your credit card, you can turn everyday purchases into valuable rewards. Hack number 3, side hustle strategies. Side hustles are a fantastic way to boost your income without requiring a hefty investment. Popular options include freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, or even selling handmade crafts online. The key is to leverage your existing skills or hobbies. If you love photography, consider offering portrait sessions or selling prints. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can be challenging, but it's manageable with the right approach. Set specific hours dedicated to your side gig and prioritize tasks to maximize productivity. Use tools like time blocking to ensure you stay focused and avoid burnout. Remember, even a few extra hours a week can lead to significant financial gains, so find a hustle that excites you and fits into your lifestyle. Hack number 4, the 50-30-20. Budgeting rule. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule is a simple yet effective method for managing your finances. This approach suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, such as housing and groceries, 30% to wants like dining out and entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. One of the great advantages of this method is its flexibility. You can adjust the percentages based on your lifestyle and financial goals. For example, if you have minimal debt, you might allocate more towards savings. To implement this rule, start by tracking your monthly income and expenses, then categorize them accordingly. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to help you visualize your spending and stay on track. This straightforward strategy can lead to better financial health and peace of mind. Hack number 5, investing in index funds. Investing in index funds is an excellent strategy for beginners looking to grow their wealth. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means that when you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a small piece of many different companies, providing instant diversification. One of the key advantages of index funds is their low fees compared to actively managed funds, which can eat into your returns. By minimizing costs and spreading your investment across various assets, index funds can be a smart long-term investment strategy. Consider starting with a small amount and gradually increasing your investment as you become more comfortable with the market. Hack number 6, negotiating bills and expenses. Negotiating your bills can lead to significant savings, and many expenses are more negotiable than you might think. Start with bills like cable, internet, and insurance, as providers often have room to offer better rates. Approach negotiations by doing your research. Know competitor prices and be prepared to explain why you deserve a lower rate. Success stories abound. For instance, many individuals have saved hundreds annually just by calling their service providers and asking for discounts or promotions. Remember, it's essential to advocate for yourself in financial matters. Don't hesitate to ask for what you deserve. A simple phone call can lead to lower bills and more money in your pocket. Empower yourself to negotiate and watch your savings grow. Hack number 7, utilizing cashback apps. Cashback apps are a fantastic way to earn extra savings on your everyday purchases. Popular options like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey allow you to earn a percentage of your spending back when you shop at participating retailers. These apps typically work by offering cash back on specific items or through links to online stores. To maximize your rewards, combine cashback offers with sales and coupons, and always check the app before making a purchase. For instance, if you're buying groceries, scan your receipt with Ibotta to claim cash back on eligible items. By integrating these apps into your shopping habits, you can effortlessly accumulate savings over time. Start using cashback apps today and watch your savings grow with every purchase. Hack number 8, the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is crucial for effective wealth building and making informed decisions about your money. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and credit management can significantly impact your financial future. There are numerous resources available to improve your financial literacy, including online courses, podcasts, and books. Websites like Khan Academy and Coursera offer free courses, while personal finance books by authors like Dave Ramsey and Suze Orman provide valuable insights. The long-term benefits of being financially educated include better money management, increased savings, and the ability to make smarter investment choices. By seeking out knowledge and staying informed, you empower yourself to take control of your finances. Make financial literacy a priority and watch how it transforms your approach to wealth building. Hack number 9, emergency fund essentials. Having an emergency fund is essential for financial security and peace of mind. Ideally, you should aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, which can help cover unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs. It's best to keep your emergency fund in a separate, easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account, to earn interest while ensuring quick access when needed. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a financial safety net is invaluable. To build your emergency fund gradually, start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50. Consider automating your savings to make it easier. Over time, these contributions will add up, providing you with the security you need. Hack number 10, leveraging tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts are powerful tools for enhancing your savings and investment growth while minimizing your tax burden. Common types include 401k plans, IRAS, and health savings accounts, HSAS. With a 401k, contributions are made pre-tax, reducing your taxable income, while IRAs offer tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals, depending on the type. HSAs provide triple tax benefits. Contributions are tax-deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. By utilizing these accounts, you can significantly boost your savings over time. If your employer offers a retirement plan, take full advantage of it, especially if they match contributions. This is essentially free money that can help you build a secure financial future. Start leveraging tax-advantaged accounts today for long-term benefits. In this video, we explore 10 mind-blowing financial hacks that can help you take control of your finances and build wealth. From automating your savings and optimizing credit card rewards to leveraging tax-advantaged accounts, each strategy offers unique benefits for enhancing your financial health. Remember, the key takeaways are to prioritize financial literacy, establish an emergency fund, and consider side hustles to boost your income. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We encourage you to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these tips. Don't forget to explore our related videos for even more strategies to improve your financial journey. Thank you for watching.